Hello viewers, today I am gonna show you a one of a kind learning management system. It is ESL, English as Second Language Learning Management System that I built in AppSheet and no code. Without writing an iota of code, I built this learning management system. The beauty of this learning management system is that me as a tutor and my students can run it both on desktop and on the smaller screens like cell phones and tablets. So, without wasting any more time, let me start the review. Here it is. This is the English as a second language learning management system. It has 6 modules, means 3 in the main menu, while 3 in the side menu as far as the English language acquiring or learning is concerned. So it has these 6 modules, and the very first module of it is very important module. You can see it has the Greek and Latin root words, because 60% of English words 60% of English words are made of Latin or Greek root. You can see these are the almost 2000 Greek and Latin root words, and we also have some Italian and also some French roots, but the majority of them are Latin and English, Latin and Greek root words. You can see. Let me give you an example. Like if I say holic or alcoholic, it means habitual, like bookaholic, cleanaholic, danceaholic. So this one root gave rise to this much words, and I have other examples too. We have some Arabic suffixes too. So it has a lot of Greek words. And why I put these Greek and Latin roots in my learning management system? Because it helps my student acquire the vocabulary, English vocabulary, in less amount of time, in less period of time. If they learn all these uh, roots, it means they covered the 60% of English vocabulary, and it has other advantages too. Learning these roots has other advantages too, because it helps in learning the spellings. It helps learning the pronunciation. So it is, and it improves the comprehension, and it makes you free from the use of bulky dictionary, because now like this root word is andry. Andry means having a specified number of stamens, means male partners. So polyandrous means you have more two to more than one male partner. So it is polyandrous, like angst, like, and so it is very important. Let's go to the details. If you like a root word, you can add to the favorite, and it goes here, it goes here. Now this is your specialized uh, uh, roots that you like, that you learned. So the tutor and the students uh, mm, go side by side, that the tutor can see what the student like and how much they learn, how much roots they have learned. So you can read it in this way, let's say like a book too. You can see this is, and this is, you can write it too if you like. You learn a root, so you can add it to the favorites. So this is the first module of this English is second language learning management system. Now let's go to the second module of it, and it is also very effective, a very important module of this English is second language learning management system. You can see it has almost 22 C2 level English grammar uh, topics. Like if we go to the auxiliary verb, so it by learning by reading all this, it give you commands on auxiliary verb. So it explain it in such a way that you learn it. So it also has verb, it also has tense, it always has gender, number. So this is aspect. You can see it tells you more about what is aspect in English grammar. So this module help you improve your grammar, help you take your proficiency to the next level. We have phonetic modules, phonology and phonetic module. This module will help you improve your pronunciation. You can see first it will help you learn the phonetics, the articulation of every English sound, the 44 sounds we have. So it will explain one by one the each sound of first vowels, then consonants, then later on it will in this module, in phonetics and phonology module, it will explain the phonic rules as well. So let's go to the detail. You can see in detail what is this sound, what are the example words, and what are the properties of this, how we can articulate. So it help a lot. So this is these three modules in the side menu has the tutorial, the YouTube tutorials. So it is linked to the YouTube tutorials. So let's say it is quizzes, uh, like morphology quizzes, like the Latin roots and the Greek and Latin roots we learn. It tests your knowledge like this. It is automatically marked. Like if we say, what does ab means? I think it means against. Abac means slab. Able, it's a suffix. It makes it's um, adjective forming suffix. And similarly, acer, what does acer means? High or sharp. Acerbic means acerbic, or this it gives you marks automatically. As you go, ag means to do, so it will add one. If you go wrong, so it will not give you the mark. So all the quizzes are automatically marked. This is the beauty. And once you attempt a quiz, it will not show again. It is programmed in a such way, this ESL. So the next very beautiful feature of this English as second language learning management system is that each student would have its own online class schedule, and from here it can join the Google Meet link as well. So from here, from this interface, you can directly join the online class that your tutor will schedule. And how the tutor schedule it is in the tutor control that I will show you on the laptop, when on the desktop, when I will say no. It has a personal dictionary too. Each student will have his a personal dictionary like this. You can make your own dictionary. Means if you learn a word like acerbic, I learned the word acerbic, and what is its class? It's adjective, and it means it's sharp, tasted, or what are the morpheme? Acer, and these are two morphemes. Acerbic means sharp, and the IC acerbic, the IC suffix means it the adjective forming morpheme it is. So how we can say the test was very acerbic. So in this way you can maintain your own dictionary too, so no need to carry notebooks. So it is added in your, each student will have its own dictionary. It will not affect any other students dictionary. You will have your own dictionary. So this is the mobile overview of this learning management system, and it helps students to learn English language. And I built this learning management system on my own without writing code from the Google Sheets. You will not believe this, using AppSheet. So let me demonstrate some feature of this app on the desktop. Hello, welcome back, and now let's have some review of this app I built in AppSheet on the bigger screen. Let's go. Let me give you an overview of this app on the desktop. So this is the morphology feed, the 2000 Greek and Latin root words that will help you build your vocabulary, because one study shows, while it is not that very authentic study, but it is believed that one Latin or a Greek root gives rise to, on the average, 10 English language words. So if this English as second language learning management system has almost 2000 Greek or Latin root words, so it means you can learn 30,000 or almost 20,000 advanced vocabulary. by learning these root words. And I can give you an example of this, like if I say there is a word, it's a very difficult word, uh, uh, like if we say uh, Borgicephaly. Now it's a very difficult word, but as I learn through this learning management system or by learning the roots of the Latin, and I don't need the dictionary. I can tell you what Borgi means small. Borgi means small in shape, and cephaly means the head. Cephalus or cephaly. So it means that uh, I don't need uh, dictionary anymore after learning these 20,000, or the use of the dictionary is now become very limited because I learned these 20,000 words. Now let me tell you, let's see that whether it means it. Yeah, an infant skull deformity, yani means it's a disease with a little a skull or a head. Cephalus means head, cephaly, and Barchi means small. Similarly, tal means the tail. So Barchi talis means so small. And in this way, you can make new words, and it improves your verbal comprehension. The next module is the grammar feed. Let's say the grammar. You can see, you can learn this. It's a book. Means first you one by one. It's not a noun, ordinary noun. It explained in such a way that it trains your mind in such a way these grammar topics that the sentence making becomes easy for you. It is written in such a way that the sentence making or writing or saying English will become very easy for you. It explains each and every grammar, and the more grammar topics are coming to it, like it doesn't have the let's say parallel structure. It is coming to it, so the student are already on the desktop. It is the admin panel, the admin view, and the demonstration I gave you on the phone, it was from the perspective of a student. So here I will show you that how can I add a new topic. Let's say I give the 23. So here I give the category, let's say the causative verbs or the parallel structure or the conditional sentences. Still I will write as a tutor, and as I updated all the students who are integrated with me, who have this app, who have the permission, they will have that. For this, from here I can schedule a online class for the students. So from here I will here I give the meet link, and the students have the been. Here I have these three classes, but on the phone it was only the one student's schedule, that's why it was two. So it's a very important and a very effective learning management system. I show you, I demonstrated you. You can see all this on the desktop too, on the tab. This is the tab. This is the tab view preview. You can see the tab like this. This is the mobile phone view, and on the back end this is the data on the top of which I make this learning management system. You see, this is the data in the Google Sheet. This is the morphology, this is the phonology, this is the phonetics. Here I keep, if anyone needs this, I take this from the Wikipedia. I give the as per rules and regulation, I give the text source of these English root, because I take this from Wikipedia, and there it is a Creative Commons share alike, where you can use it for commercial purpose also. But as far as you give the link to the source, you are fine. You can see if I go to the detail there, I give the link. So this was the overview of this learning management system. I can share the code if you people need it as a no code developer. It's so simple to transfer the code of this, to transfer the rights of this application. It's so easy. Within 5 minutes I can transfer. And if as a student anyone want to join me, I only charge $10 a month, and it's only 2 months or 3 month course. In 3 months you will have you will finish, you will have these advanced 2000, you will learn these advanced 2000 Greek and Latin root, and these advanced grammar. So all those students who are lurking, who are lagging behind, or who are feeling it difficult to change their level from intermediate to advanced, this learning management is a great resource for them. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if anyone needs access, I can give them access, 1 day free access, and then I will charge them $10 a month. And if as a group someone want, then I can give discount. And it is not just for this $10 is not just for this application, but I as a tutor will be in touch, will teach 3 days in a week. I will explain all these to the tutor through these online classes. Here, through these online classes, I will teach them on Google Meet. So this $10 is not just for this learning management system, but it is for the whole learning of English language as a second language for 3 months. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. If anyone need this, then they can ping me, they can leave me the person the message, short message inbox. Thank you so much.